morning, class. Thank you for joining me today. Please take your seat at the carpet. Today we'll be going to start off our day with a book. I know that we recently started talking about the weather and clouds, and today I have one of my favorite books to share with you. It's actually called Little Cloud by Eric Carle. Um, Eric Carle both wrote and illustrated this book. Who here can tell me what illustrated means? Yes, it means that he drew, or in this case painted, all of the pictures in this book as well as wrote the story. So he painted all the pictures on this book just like the front cover. Who here can tell me what this image is right here? Yes, that is a cloud. And is there something different about this cloud that you see in the clouds in the sky? Yes, and this cloud has a face, and you can tell because it has two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Why do you think Eric Carle drew this cloud with a face on it? Yes, it is because it is, the little cloud. Eric Carle was trying to show us that this cloud right here is Little Cloud, and it's an important character for the story. And now we are going to read about Little Cloud and his adventures in the blue sky. Little Cloud by Eric Carle. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. Little Cloud trailed behind. See all the clouds in the little cloud down there? The clouds pushed upward and away. Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and trees. What makes Little Cloud different from the other clouds? I was thinking that, he's smaller than the rest of the clouds, and there's a difference of length between the two clouds. He's down over by the houses, and the rest of the clouds are more up in the sky. The clouds moved out of sight. Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little Cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. How might a sheep and a cloud look alike? What do you guys think? Little Cloud changed into an airplane. Little Cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Now Little Cloud has changed so far into a sheep, a plane, and also a shark. Is this something that clouds do, that they normally do while they're in the sky? Little Cloud changed into two trees. Little Cloud liked the way trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little Cloud changed into a rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then a Little Cloud changed into a hat because Little Cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little Cloud, they called. Come back. Little Cloud drifted towards the cloud. Why do you think the other clouds wanted Little Cloud to join them? What happens when a lot of clouds are together in the sky? Yes, so then all the clouds changed into one big cloud, and it rained. Now that we got to see all of the shapes that Little Cloud becomes throughout the story, does the story remind anyone of anything? Maybe an experience they had watching clouds? What are some things that, after we read the story together, what are some things that you learned about clouds today? Like another thing that Eric Carle really covered in this book was the differences between Little Cloud and the other clouds. Especially in this first page, where the big clouds were drifted towards the sky and Little Cloud trailed behind. What did you notice about Little Cloud that was different in the beginning of the story and then the end of the story? You know, when he um, actually joined the others towards the end. Another thing that I noticed that, you know, we're introduced to Little Cloud as a little cloud, but then Little Cloud changes into this, you know, bigger cloud. Um, how does Eric Carl let us know that this shape is still Little Cloud? Or you can think about any of the other shapes. How do we know that this is still Little Cloud?